Hello everyone. Hello. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. First of all, those who's watching me on the TikTok, you can go visit the link in bio. There is our Telegram, our WhatsApp group. The link on the YouTube live stream are posted there, so you will see the live stream on the more big screen, because I'm gonna show you the charts of Bitcoin, and we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin. And also for those who's watching me on the YouTube, I really appreciate your love. I really appreciate your support. Please press like, subscribe on this channel. I'm talking honestly and free about the Bitcoin, about money, about government, about news, about manipulation, about what I'm doing on the market. I'm doing this for 8 years in the row. I'm in trading, I'm in investments from 2013, but in crypto I'm from 2016. So right now we're talking about the Bitcoin, we're talking about the crypto, we're talking about other financial assets, and today we're going to talk about what's happening on the market right now. So I will really appreciate your love, I will really appreciate your likes, your follows, your comments, everything that you want to show me. So can you turn up your mic on the TikTok? Of course, give me a second, please. Let me know if it works better right now. Right now, I think I don't. Give me a second. What about maybe this one will work with you? Tell me, please, if it's worked better right now. So probably I turn it up. I hope it works better right now. So thank you very much. Thank you again. So you see that today the Bitcoin hits the fucking all-time high, like $93,400. It's crazy. It's crazy, and we're gonna talk about this. Right now, Bitcoin trades on the $89,000, and we see that other assets, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, all altcoins react on this and going down. As I told you on the TikTok, for the people who follow me from the TikTok, I sold everything that I bought 4th of November. Yep, I truly believe that it's not the time, not the best time for alt season. Alt season is not here right now, and it shows us the Bitcoin dominance. I will show you the chart later, but right now I want to say something that's I've been holding inside of myself. I would like to leave it on the YouTube, so people who've been watching this video in months or years will say, what the fuck, how did he knows? So what I'm thinking about, let's come back to the election. Let's come back to the election rally 2024. Let's come back to the 2020 when Trump lose the election. I don't have nothing, like zero information about the Joe Biden. All I know that this guy helps Ukrainian people. He gave money, he gave military supplies, he gave like rockets, ammo, weapon. He trained our soldiers. He gave like NATO all the helicopters, Patriots. He helps Ukraine. Appreciate it. Me as Ukrainian, it's really good. But I don't know, maybe it's just my opinion, maybe just opinion of some crazy guy, some crazy dude who's thinking way too much, that the life is way more complicated than you think. So at the beginning of 2022, at the end of 2021, I've been telling all Ukrainians, people who following me in my social media, in my Instagram, that if the war will start, if the Putin will attack Ukraine, the only government, the only country that will receive profit will be the United States. Go back in history and read what's happened in the World War II. In the United States, there's been never war on this country, on this land, except the Civil War. Not everyone knows in this world about what was this civil war in the United States? What was the reason? Not everyone knows about the slavery, about the upgrading of system on the manufacture level, like before that, before 1862, 65, the black people, the slaves, was trying to make life of rich people on the north and on the south of United States way more easier. Like cheap people, cheap work. You don't need to do nothing. Just feed these people and say them what to do. Let's skip this part. You can read it, you can watch the TV, you can watch any news, any documentary films, maybe even on the Netflix. But after that, the whole system was changed with the help of Lincoln, or who the fuck is changing this system. Not everyone knows here in the United States, and especially in the world, that the stock market, stock exchange in New York, in Chicago, the first year when it was opened, it was 1817. But from 8070, the opening year is 8017. But from the 8070, it starts to trade, to invest. People start to trade, to invest in something like that. So in World War II, the first really big war in the world. Don't tell me about the World War I. Okay, First World War. Blah, blah, blah. I'm sorry. Don't tell me about this. In my opinion, everything that was happening in the early 20th century, this was the whole one war. It was like part 1, part 2. Like, you know, the season 1, the season 2. Let's skip the reasons. Let's skip the Nazi, the Hitler, the Germany, Entente, and something like that. Who made profit? United States. So right now, in the Eastern Europe, in Ukraine, on this battlefield, people fighting not for freedom, people fighting not for Ukrainian people, not for children, not for land. They fighting for European market. They fighting with Russia for whole Central Europe market. This is my opinion. And the main profit will be in United States. And I appreciate it. It's business. War never been nothing else except the business. So, when the war starts, when all these crazy new rules of the world was applied in 2020 with the COVID, in 2021 with the COVID number 2, in 2022 with the war in Ukraine and war in Israel. There is the main reason, which is right now, I cannot tell you. I have opinion, I have theory, I have something. But while I'm watching on this from the side, I'm trying to realize for what and who will make profit. So the Democrats, when they was elected in 2020, this world goes crazy. You can say whatever you want. I'm not asking right now your opinion. You can tell me whatever you need or whatever you think in the comments, and maybe I will read it later. But in my humble opinion, of 35 years old Ukrainian stupid man, they've been trying to, I don't know how to say, stupidify the nations, the people. They've been trying to show people that being stupid is normal. Being not like everyone is normal, and I'm okay with that, as long if it's not about me. I'm trying to be normal. I'm trying to be clever. I'm trying to be smarter. I'm trying to be more fit, more healthy, more richer. I'm trying to build my talents. I'm trying to show myself. I'm trying to build the business. I'm trying everything. I'm not telling my pronounce is she, they, we are together because I'm not trying to show people that they are wrong. I'm only watching about myself and about my family. But for the last 2 years, what I see here in the United States, it's fucking crazy. It's fucking circus. Clowns and freaks. In California, in Arizona, in Florida, in Chicago, in New York, in whatever state or city where I've been for the last almost 3 years, this is fucking freak parade. This is fucking nonsense. I can't believe it this. Everything that the algorithm of TikTok or YouTube showing me, it's fucking stupid with stupidest. Like, when you remember this with the Jim Carrey, there was that 2-part film when the, how you said it, Stupid and the Stupidest? Film with Jim Carrey, stupid. The Dumb and Dumber, yeah. When Gary met Lloyd. You remember this? I love this film. So almost everyone in the world became Larry or Lloyd, Harry or Lloyd. And I truly cannot believe how it's happening right now. And they try to show us that it's normal. You should be someone like them. There is something wrong with you, who is normal, who's been normal for the last, for example, 100 years. Right now, you can express yourself as you want, and I don't care about this. You can do whatever you want inside media, inside your Instagram, TikTok, inside your apartment. You can do whatever you want, or even on the streets. It's been happening right now, like all the time. But then, when I saw the rally speech of Kamala Harris, I swear God, I even doesn't know that the Kamala Harris was the vice president of United States for last 3.5 years. I swear God, I didn't know that. It's not something like vice Miss Universe. It's fucking vice president of United States. I never saw the more stupid person in the world which has power, money, and fame. Never in my life. But while I'm living here in the United States, I'm trying to build my future here. And I appreciate your love, appreciate your support, appreciate that you allows people like me. I'm not the refugee. I don't give a fuck about United for Ukrainian program. I don't give a fuck about all this money that you're giving to people who came here. They fucking have money. You're giving them the social money, you're giving them the insurance, you're giving them like church give them help with the payments for their apartment, you gave them food, you gave them stamps, you give them money. What the fuck is wrong with you? The most clever, the most richest people from Ukraine moved to United States and they asking help from America and driving on the Mercedes, on the BMW, on the Bentley, on whatever car they want to drive. They've been traveling all around the United States. And you, my dear Americans, who's been born in California and never traveled out of state, who's been born in Texas or in Delaware or whatever fuck you was born, and you never have opportunity to travel somewhere to Europe, you never have opportunity, like people here in the United States, they asking me, hey, how did you get the Amex card? Oh my God, you should be rich if you drive in Bentley. Oh, I love your Maybach, can I? And something like that. So half of American citizens was voting for Democrats in 2020, some percent of this half was been like, oh yes, this is the best way for America. We need to do exactly as they said on the news. And some part of these people was going on all these rally shows. It was really the circus show of Kamala Harris. All these stupid things with the Cardi B, with Oprah, with all these celebrities, with all this. Oh my God, I really love McDonald's. What the hell is wrong with you people? But then America vote. And they show that almost every, like basically smart people in America are tired of all this extra chromosome government, like low IQ government all over the America. They was tired of the gas price, of the food price, of the taxes. They tired of rent. They tired of mortgage. They tired of everything what's been happening in America for the last 4 years. And they vote for Trump. And you will understand where I'm going with that. So they vote for Trump. The Trump being elected as a president of the United States, 47th president of the United States, like been the second time when exactly the same person became the president of the United States. The Obama was first, the Trump is second one. This is not the best person. Probably this is not the best president of the United States. I'm not the fond with the history of the United States. I don't give a fuck about the history of my country. Why I give a fuck about the history of your country? I don't care. But I was here in New York, in United States, in 2016 when they elect Trump. I was here in United States when they elect Biden. And I'm here while you elect Trump again. Sorry, my girlfriend texted me. Give me a second, please. My girlfriend asked me to reserve the massage spots for us today because we're a little bit tired. So, I don't give a fuck about the history, but you elect the best choice from two choices. The stupidest woman in the world, Kamala Harris, and probably one of the richest and most powerful person in the world, in the United States. He's famous, he's powerful, he's rich, he's smart, and he's old. So he has experience. He's smart enough to rule this country and to make America great again. And I truly believe that he will do this if they allow him. But tell me please, while this government of Democrats been doing all this shit with the borders, with the all these new laws in California, in the United States, all over the world, they spend so much money, they spend so much time on this. For me, ruining the whole world from inside of America. How they leave this rally so fast and so easy. And why only after the Trump been elected, the whole market pump like crazy. Why? Just because you think that it will be better? Just because you think that the Elon Musk will be the doggy minister? Everything was pumped as hell. And no one thinking about that for the last 4 years, the whole market was pumping. No one thinking about that for the last 14 or even 16 years, There was no crisis in the world. There was no crisis on the market. The market just pumping and pumping and pumping. Then ask you one more question. Why the fuck no one was talking about the Bitcoin, the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, except them channels where you should talk about the news, where you should talk about the economical system, about the stock market, about the prices, about everything that's work with money, everything that works with the financial assets. Why no one posts so much video on TikTok about Dogecoin, about Bitcoin, about pumping, and we will pump. So the price of Bitcoin was 6 months between $40,000 and $70,000 for 4 months. We saw the slowest. Why my girlfriend always texting me when I'm doing the live streams? We saw slowest pump and dump in the history of assets, while it was years before. Then we have the two cycles, the two bull runs, 2017 and in 2021. Then the price go down because of what? War? Because war in Israel? Because of war in Ukraine? It's okay, I don't care. I've been telling people buy, hold, buy, invest, buy, invest all over last 8 years. I've been doing this like crazy. No one, right now, every Uber driver, every DoorDash delivery guy or woman, every person in this fucking stupid world texting me, should I buy more Bitcoin right now? I'm asking, did you buy it before? And people said no. What crypto should I buy right now? I told you, like, buy Force and 11. Yeah, for example, Force and 11. Force, the price of Bitcoin was 67. 11th of November, the price was $82,000. Pump and pump. Then I told you, like, okay, we move the dates from 11 to 13. If you're gonna buy it today, it's $89,000. If you bought it yesterday, it was $86,000, almost $85,000. And people still telling me that I was wrong. I was wrong in what, motherfucker? Telling you weeks and months before that there will be huge manipulation, there will be huge pump, and then they will crush this market. And no one was given a fuck about the assets, about the market, about everything. They were just, okay, who are you, you stupid white guy? What do you want to tell me from your Ukrainian accent? You don't even know English enough to tell me something like that. So get the fuck. Your Bentley is rented. So right now, today, when the Bitcoin was $93,000, everyone starts buying again. Not yesterday when it was like $86,000. Not a week ago when it was 67. Not in September, not in October, not in fucking, I don't know, August when it was $49,000. You all starting to buy when the price is fucking high. All-time high. Just because they show you on the news that, oh, we will hit $100,000, you should buy right now. So if you buy it for $90,000 or you bought it for $93,000 and the price will go for $100,000, please tell me how much you will earn from $10,000 or from $100,000 or from $1 million. Why no one telling you on the news years before it happened, buy, fucking buy. Go and take a... Let me know if my sound will disappear on the YouTube channel, because I didn't change the batteries. Why no one tells you buy or hold? They've been putting the worst news in your head, in your ears, or in your eyes. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Because they was buying what you selling because of your fear. Not everyone in this world know that there is the fear and greed index, which shows how greedy people are on the crypto market or on the stock market. So right now we have 84. Extreme greed. And no one's selling nothing. No one was selling 2 days ago. As I said to you, I sold and I will buy again. Everyone is so fucking crazy about this bull run that they thinking that we will go to the 150K. We will go to 2 million. We will go to $35 million. I've been doing this for 8 years. I was born and raised in the family of the taxi driver and accountant. In Ukraine, the salary, the maximum salary when I was a child was $300. Right now, my mother on the pension for $50, yes, $50 per month. I grow in this family and I reach almost the highest point of Ukrainian people. I earn millions of dollars. I move here and I'm not spending a day, a minute searching for the job. I don't give a fuck about the gas price. I don't give a fuck about the mortgage. I don't give a fuck about anything. I'm just doing money on all these movements, up and downs. And when I was telling you on TikTok or on YouTube or in my Telegram, WhatsApp channels, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, go in the links in bio or on YouTube, links in description. Open the WhatsApp group, which was made for you. Open the Telegram group, which was made for you in English. And go up and try to read the history. Try to read all these posts. And you will see how it works. Go to Telegram channel, go whatever you want, and take a look how we've been doing this months and months and months before it happens. And when I said people, by 4th of November, I'm fucking tired of visiting the Rodeo Drive, the New York, the whatever fuck it is. I've been posting every day fucking video. By 4th and 11, people start telling me that, what about 11? Why you didn't vote nothing 4th? When I selling, you trying to buy. You don't want to wait because you're afraid that the price will go down. You don't want to wait while they put the price down and tell you that, oh my God, the Iran hit Israel again, or the Zelensky fart on the phone call with the Putin, and Putin was like humiliated and he sent the more troops to Ukraine, or the Taiwan said that they will send the fucking Pikachu to Ukraine, or whatever they will say to you in the news. You're just watching all these fucking famous people on TikTok who's been just telling you with their shitty life, with not having anything. They're not showing you, I bought here, I sell here. They're not showing you their portfolio. They're not showing you nothing. They just telling you, oh, the price of Donkey Kong will hit like $2 probably before the inauguration in January. I will tell you, they will put price up and down with the small correction, maybe with the huge correction, but in the end, I'm sorry. In the end, right now I will show you the chart. And I will do the same on the TikTok here. I need to put it a little bit here, yeah, probably. So, right now I'm gonna show you the chart and what I've been doing like for years, analyzing charts, buying, selling, holding, or fixing. So if you're gonna go on the weekly time frame, you will see. Just remember that just check this information. Like, I don't care if you buying something or you selling something, how much you losing or how much you earning. I don't give in any kind of advice. especially financial advice. I'm just telling people what I see, what I'm gonna do, and what's gonna happen, probably. Probably. If I'm gonna be wrong, I will lose my money. Period. That's all. That's how it works. So, if we open the weekly time frame, we will see that the highest point of the peak bull run will be at the end of January. I will show you. You can put this line here. This is like the beginning of the February, or you can put this line here. This is the end of December. So I will think that the highest point will be here. But when I take a look on this trading filter, it shows me that it can go down right now, in any minute, in any second, tomorrow, next week, or next month. But we still need to catch the bull run, and we will go to that. We will return to the bull run. We will return to the alt season, which I'm waiting, probably as you. So the price will go down from here, here, and probably from here. The price could go down, and you wouldn't believe me, as low as oh, sorry, not here. Sorry. The first points, $73,000. This is the first point. The second point is probably here, $45,000, $38,000, or maybe even $31,000. You can laugh, you can say whatever you want to say. Like at the end of October, people telling me in the comments, you will never see Bitcoin lower than $66,000. Bam, next day, as I said before, bam, $65,000. Please leave it for your parents, leave it for your children, leave it for your, I don't know, for your community. If I ask people, oh, what do you think about Bitcoin? It's one thing. If I'm telling people, I'm not trying you to put here, listen to me or following me. No, I'm just telling you, if it's gonna be the same as I said, just save this video, follow the channel, I don't know, like save this link, and then come back here and said, oh, you was right, okay, let me know what's gonna happen next. So this is the Fibonacci levels, yeah? The correction probably will be like $54,000, yeah? $54,000, just remember that. But if you're gonna open the monthly time frame, for example, the monthly time frame, and you will open this like that, you will see that we fill this gap, but this gap, and even this gap, let me see. I think there was one more, maybe on the weekly time frame. Give me a second. Or on the 3 months time frame. And now, yeah, here it is. And this gap. And let me check one more on the weekly time frame, please. Yeah, okay, enough. So it should be filled with the price. So as I'm thinking, this is just my opinion. You don't need to do nothing. You just skip this information. The price till the end of 2026 will be lower than $37,000. Probably. Maybe, I don't know. I just don't know when. We need to live and watch. Probably we will never see Bitcoin lower than $25,000 until next bull run. The next bull run will be from 2026 till 2028. Right now, I want to show it to the people who need to understand what was happening for the last 2 years while you were selling and the people like me were buying. The bull run starts in November 2022. We made like 300% from there. Then we made a correction, a good, really nice correction. You see that? In July, you see that? We made a correction. And then after that, the price go up again from this trending line on a 90%. And everyone been talking about the, for the next bull run, probably we will see 100% for Bitcoin. This is it. Period. This is my opinion. This is the end of this cycle for Bitcoin. Even if we hit $100,000 and somebody will put in the comments, so what are you gonna say right now? Stupid Ukrainian man. Look at my eyes and tell me what do you think right now? What you gonna do? What you gonna do with all your bullshit which you've been feeding us for this whole months? Even if they hit $100,000. In my opinion, they wouldn't allow Trump to become a legal president of United States. This is my opinion. Something gonna happen. Maybe with him, maybe with the country, maybe with the war. With the world or war. I don't give a fuck what scenario from the Hollywood movie they will put in the life. I don't give a fuck what's gonna happen with the people, nations, children, dogs, horses, or ants. All I care about is me and my family. But if they're gonna sacrifice me or my family, it is what it is. I'm just trying to talk, think, and show people what I'm thinking. I can be wrong. I can. And I will tell people, okay, sorry for that, I was wrong. But if I'm gonna be right, you will see the huge dump, the huge correction, maybe from the end of December till the end of January. But then we will go back to the dominance of Bitcoin and take a look at this fucking dominance on the weekly time frame. The dominance will rise till the end of January. Then it will go to the correction, then it will raise again. So the more money will be put in the Bitcoin. So the people will buy it for $100,000, for $200,000. They will even buy it for $500,000. And the smart people, smart money, the big financial guys will provide you with this liquidity. They will sell you. They will do whatever you want. And they will say to you, oh my God, the HBO was wrong. This fucking fat guy, he is not the Satoshi Nakamoto because Satoshi Nakamoto just sent from his wallet on the exchange 1 million Bitcoin and he's dumping the price. They will sell you 18 million of Bitcoins. They will sell you 3 million Bitcoins, 5 million Bitcoins. And then they will tell you that the Satoshi Nakamoto was alive and he was selling his Bitcoins right now. That's why the prices are dumping. That's why. Because of the MicroStrategy selling their Bitcoins. The Germany selling their Bitcoins. And the fucking everyone selling their Bitcoins. And you better to sell your Bitcoins, yar. Oh yeah, you better sell your Bitcoins right now. Be afraid that the price will go down. No buying Bitcoins. And right now they're telling you on the news. Everywhere. You better buy Bitcoin right now because it's the last time that you can buy it for $90,000. So we will see. The dominance of Bitcoin will go up. Then we will go on the daily time frame. And the daily time frame showing us, I wouldn't explain you how the time frames works. You can Google it. The last video on YouTube channel, Here, I will show you. The last video here, you can open it as every video here, and you will see about what I've been talking about. And you will see when I put this mark here that the dominance of Bitcoin will go up. Everyone was waiting for the alt season, and here they give you this opportunity to raise 40 or 50% on the altcoins. I send you the altcoins which I bought, and when I bought it and when I sold it. Right now the Bitcoin dominance rising up, and it will rise till the end of November. If we open the Bitcoin daily time frame, you will see that here is the mark on the weekly time frame. You see that? And here is the mark on the daily time frame. So the Bitcoin can do something like that. Give me more space for my drawings. Something like that. I really don't give a fuck what's gonna happen with Bitcoin right now. Only just because it's pumping, nothing else will be pumped as Bitcoin, just because of the dominance. You can take a look how many billions of USDT was printed for the last 7 days. As far as I know, from 3 to 4 billion USDT. They can print it as much as they want. The Ethereum dominance will do exactly opposite from the Bitcoin. You see, this is the weekly time frame. So the Ethereum dominance will go down till the middle of 2026. But on the daily time frame, we will go something like that, and then we will go down. That's why I'm not thinking that you will see the price of Ethereum higher than maybe $4,400. I think that the highest point of Ethereum will be probably the 2021 all-time high. They can put price higher. It was 4,800. Maybe they will give you $5,000. But I don't think that you will see the Ethereum for $7,000, $8,000, or $11,000. This is my opinion. I will buy the Ethereum only if the price will go lower than $1,800. Period. Right now I'm shorting the Ethereum, and right now I'm in a huge losses. But it doesn't mean that I realize these losses. I'm not closing my position. I'm still waiting. So, in my opinion, from the end of November, the Ethereum will go down till the end of January. Remember the Bitcoin dominance. Remember the Bitcoin price. And then, after that, probably, we will see the huge move up. In my opinion, it's just my opinion, that's all. They will put the price as low as they can put it right now. Maybe even lower than 2,000. Maybe, for example, $2,800. People will start to sell. People will start to panic. Those who's been waiting for 3 years, when they bought for $40,000, for $60,000, or for $69,000, they've been waiting for 2 years while the price will go to the $100, and they're not selling right now. I'm okay. I'm okay with that. I'm not trying to give you advice, sell it or buy it. I'm telling you what I'm doing. So people who's not sell, then they will say to, okay, I saw when the Ethereum dropped from $1,400 to $70 in 2017. Then I saw how it drops from almost $5,000 to ridiculous $800. And I even thought I was there
and I was drinking the beer with my friends from crypto community. When the price of Ethereum go to the $4,000 and then it go down to the $3,000, and when it go up to the $3,800 and then it dropped to the almost $2,000. I never sold it, and I will not sell it today. I will hold. Okay, I don't give a fuck. I'm just telling you that I will buy it only lower than $1,800. That's all. And probably I will see this mark here at the end of January. Let's go to the Bitcoin. I wouldn't analyze any assets except the Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Maybe I will take a look on the most famous altcoins like Dogecoin and Solana. And probably you would like to know something about the Ripple. The most stupidest manipulative cryptocurrency in the world. They put in the fist in whatever hole is open in your body, and they open this fist and doing like Muppet Show with you, and you, yes, 40 cents for Dogecoin. I need 2. Don't judge me, please. So the Bitcoin on the daily time frame showing us that it will go up, it will do something like that, it will test this level, it will test that level, it will test whatever level it wants to test, it will test the COVID test, it will test the IQ test, and probably we will make way more higher all-time high than right now. We will see it, but then, or right now from this spot we will go down, or in next few days or few weeks, the Bitcoin will go down. That's why I'm not holding the Bitcoin. That's why I'm not buying Bitcoin. That's why I'm just shorting Bitcoin. Right now, I'm shorting the Bitcoin. And, oh, why I deleted it. Let's leave it here. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. The time frame that I'm trading for last maybe 6 months or 7 months. The only time frame that I've been trading and telling people about what's gonna be next. So you saw in my videos on the YouTube here, for example, 3 weeks ago, this video, or 4 weeks ago. Oh my God, this guy been telling us all these weeks and days before that we should buy this in 10th of October. That we should buy it on the 4th of November, that we should buy it 27th of October. Just go and watch this, the same, everything the same, but people doesn't watch it. I've been telling this, I've been showing you, I've been doing this, I've been showing you, I've been drawing there. That's all. I'm not trying to change my opinion. I'm not trying to tell you, oh, I was wrong. Yes, I wasn't being prepared for $90,000 for Bitcoin right now, because I was thinking that the Kamala Harris and the Democrats will do something to prevent winning of Donald Trump. This is my mistake. I was wrong about the election. I truly believe, and I was voting if I have an opportunity. I know that here in California I can vote without the ID, but I'm not stupid. The law is the law. If I was American citizen, I will vote for Donald Trump, no matter what he done before or what he will do. The Kamala Harris is the worst choice for this world. This is fucking insane. I don't know how young people, grown people, old people could say, oh, I'm voting for Kamala Harris. Why? Double cheeseburger menu, please. Yeah. French fries and, yeah, Diet Coke, please. What? I don't know what's fucking wrong with these people. But I was thinking that they will put price lower and then we will bounce back. I've been telling this in all my channels. I know that you're willing me to provide you the private group in English. We've been posting a lot of things, not in private, in public groups, in public videos. That's why you will see the price will go down. Right now I'm in a short position. The price will go down, period. I will show you. Right now I opened one more short position on the Bitcoin. But it doesn't mean that I'm not holding the Ethereum position, which I opened too early. This is the Ethereum position. And I'm in the non-fixable floating P&L minus $6,000 right now. How can I show it to you? You see, minus $6,000 right now. And this is fine with me. I'm okay. I'm not violating my risk management. I'm not trying to be billionaire in one day. The one guy 2 days ago lost $15.9 million for one trade on the Bitcoin. He was shorting the Bitcoin. He was like, okay, my new life will begin from today. I don't give a fuck about his problems. I'm doing what I know. I'm doing what I think will happen. And I'm doing mistakes. But for all these altcoins, which I bought, which I sent to you, here on the YouTube, there on the TikTok, I made profit. I fixed this profit. And I will buy more and more, only just because the dominance. I'm telling you, the alt season is not here. They will put price lower and then they will bounce it back again. And after that, when the people will think that, for example, $70,000 for Bitcoin, somewhere here, $77,000 or $67,000 or even $73,000, I don't give a fuck what the price they will show you. For example, $80,000. I love my favorite number is 80. That's why I'm 80 true. I will explain you why. Because my name is Andrew. The first letter is A. My last name is Truszkowski. This is the Polish last name. Yes, I'm Ukrainian, but my grandparents from Poland. So, 80. A-T. A as Andrew, T as Truszkowski. A as Andrew, T as true. That's why 80 true. Call me 80. Okay? Like CJ, BD, Kamala Harris, something like that. Piece of chocolate. Who is on duty today? The worst English school in the world in Ukraine. Just remember that. In the university, in schools, in the courses, like whatever it is, like this is the worst English in the world. Okay, I received the email. Okay. They will put the price for $80,000. And people with extra chromosome will think, oh, I bought for $90,000. Now it costs way more cheaper. I will buy more. The people with really low IQ who doesn't bought weeks before, years before, or today, they would said, oh my God, Black Friday discount. Yes. Oh, it will be really funny if they put the price. What the fuck is that? They will put the price lower than it is right now on the Black Friday, so the people will buy Bitcoin, Dogecoin, rather than buying the new TV or dildo or whatever they want to buy, the new wheels for their car. So they will put the price in the end of November lower, and the people will think about it. Oh my god, discount, I will buy more. I will buy more. Give me a second. Okay. And they will sell you more and more. The BlackRock, the Fidelity, the MicroStrategy, the even maybe United States government wouldn't touch the Bitcoin because they said that it's gonna be the reserve Bitcoin currency of the United States. They like made a promise, as they made a promise like every year in 2008 about the loans, as they said in 2020 on the COVID, as they said like what every year the same shit. If you see that someone in your house watching news, just understand this person is stupid as fuck. Period. This is my opinion. But you're very funny. The crypto space is more interesting with you around. Thank you very much. Appreciate. So they will put price lower, and you will think that, oh, discount, I will buy this, and you gonna buy it. Then they will put the price up, probably $95,000, $100,000. No. In my opinion, the Bitcoin will never be $100,000 before 2028. Please cut this part and post it in my TikTok. Only just because all this Lamborghini, all this Ferrari, all this news, all these TikToks, all these people all over the world telling people that Bitcoin will hit $100,000. And even if we're gonna see $100,000, there will be no liquidity. There will be no volume for buying, which you're gonna try to sell. But if you're gonna sell by market price, you will sell it for 96, 95, 90, or whatever price it is. But if you're gonna fall asleep, for example, in Florida, in New York, or I don't know, California, in Europe, when they're gonna put the price down, when they're gonna press sell button, and will fill all your orders for $89,000, for $77,000, for $65,000. They will sell everything that they could not sell to you. Where is my chart? Here. That they couldn't sell to you. Here and here. That they couldn't sell to you even here. I will understand if we have such a long period of the flat movement. Give me a second, please. Of the flat movement of the Bitcoin for a couple of years, for 3 years, but not from June 2020 till October 2023. June 2022, October 2023. It's year and a half. It's less than year and a half in the flat range. Then they put price up here and do the same shit when the price go down, up, down, up, down, up again. So in my opinion, they will sell and they will fill all your orders probably till the $37,000. Here and here, even maybe even we will see, I don't know, $12,000. The lowest is, as I said, the lowest, lower than $3,000. So I believe if the price will go somewhere here, like $27,000, then it will bounce back. We will trade here, and then we can like make a huge movement down again. So they will sell it to you. How can they sell it to you right now? They've been doing this for 10 years, from even more than 10 years, like 15 years of the Bitcoin. They was mining it. They was putting information in the brains of people. Like, for example, let's talk about this. I will close the chart. And let's talk about this like this. Tell me please, how the most smart and rich person in the world, the most profitable traders, the most profitable investors, the richest people in the world doesn't know about the Bitcoin in 2009 and even in 2021? For 12 years, everyone been telling you, everyone, this is the scam, this is the new .com bubble, it will drain your money. The Bitcoin doesn't mean nothing for me. I'm waiting for Warren Buffett to say,
I'm buying Bitcoin right now only because it costs $96,000. I believe that it will grow to $1 million in next 10 years.
and when you heard 10 years, you was like, oh, 10 years. In 10 years, I will make 10x profit. So my 10,000 will be $100,000. Yes.
I'm going all into the Bitcoin.
So why? How did this? I can even put this mind in my brain. How? They've been telling you for all these years that this is bullshit from the TV, from the newspapers, from the I don't know, from the Facebook, from the ads on the cars, on the floor, on the fans. They put Bitcoin scam, Bitcoin will ruin your life. They've been doing this cycle 1, 2, 3 times before that. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And right now, when the price high as fuck, I really understand and thinking that not every person here in the United States can afford 1 Bitcoin. Because you're fucking driving the Toyota Corolla 1995. You cannot tip people. You cannot pay for your problems, for your health. I'm not telling about everyone. The 90% of people in the United States are poor as fuck. The most richest country, the best university, the opportunity where people buying everything that you're trying to sell them. Everything. Just try to put your hand in these money pockets and take as much as you can. They cannot afford nothing. They right now opened the credit line and buying the Bitcoin. I really pretty sure that the bank will give you the credit on the Bitcoin if you're gonna say to them that I'm gonna buy the Bitcoin. So maybe in January, before inauguration of Donald Trump, if nothing gonna happen, I hope they will start to putting a lot of information and a lot of news, bad news, on the news, like they've been doing right now, like the good news, like, oh my God, happy birthday to everyone. They will start doing things all over the world just to provide the information why Bitcoin price go down. But all this bad news will be mixed with every news, like Donald Trump said, never sell your Bitcoin.
My president said never sell. I will never sell. I will hold it. Why I should sell it? I can put it in my ass and it will grow.
So,
my dear followers,
my opinion, and I'm willing to be wrong. If I'm gonna be wrong, that's fine. That's fine with me, that's fine with you, that's fine with everyone. The world will move on. If something gonna happen with me, if something gonna happen with you, with every person that you know, the world will go on. I move on, you move on, we move on. But
I think that they will tell you, don't sell, just buy, discount, discount, discount. And then, probably in one day, when you're gonna see the huge movement down for 40% or even 60%, like it was in 2017, in 2020, in 2021. It can be slow movement, it can be fast movement. Probably they will tell you,
Oh my god, Bitcoin scam. It was a fraud. And we know about that. That's why we've been preparing the new plan of saving you people from this scam.
and they will drop the CBDC. And then your life turned to hell. So, let's take a look. Please, let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. This is the last time frame that I will show you right now, and I will turn it on, turn it off. So I will leave this mark. I will leave this. Please, Bitcoin, can you go down so I will close my short position? Let's see what's gonna happen on the 4-hour time frame. And please remember, this is non-financial advice. That's what I'm gonna do. We're still waiting for the huge movement down. It can be 10%, it can be 2%, it can be like 20%. I don't know. I'm still waiting, probably from 14th of November, if nothing gonna change on the 1-hour time frame. Maybe it will start today, maybe it will start tomorrow, maybe it's already starting right now here. You see that? We was $83,000, now we $89,000, and people are still buying. It's okay, it's fine with me. It's fine with me. Buy more. We fill this gap on 4-hour time frame. Maybe we will go up again. That's fine with me. But I'm waiting for that movement till the 22nd of November. Then the price will bounce till the 24th of November. So probably how it's gonna be, and I will try to show you my opinion how it's gonna be. They will put price a little bit higher, maybe $95,000, 96. Then they will put the price lower. Give me a second, please. High, low, bounce back here, and then we will go down here. So this is my opinion. The price can reach $93,000, 95, or even $100,000. I don't care about the price. All I care about the day when I should open or close my positions. I don't care about the price. You can leave it for the people who are smart enough to say the Bitcoin will be $81,000, 65,115.5. All I care about the days. So they will put the price up, then it will go down, then it will bounce back again, and people will, yes, we're going all in, we're going all time high, I need to buy more. And then they will drop the price till the end of November, or even till the beginning of December. But please, remember about the daily time frame. Remember about the weekly time frame. The price are still in the bullish trend. The bullish trend start here in 2020. And right now we are still there on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, and something like that. So they can make this movement until that point. Then they will put the price down.
Then they will put the price back again. I'm trying to tell you the dates. I'm really trying. So as far as we can see, from the 14th of November, the price will go down till the 22nd of November. Then the price will bounce back till the 25th of November. Then it will go down again till the 29th of November and 4th of December. You need to have this live updates on the chart to see how it changes, to see how it moves on the hour time frame. I truly believe that they will put the price today at the night. They will set something's happening, like horrible something happening, because you see, this is the price on the 4-hour time frame. This is the highest peak on the 1-hour time frame. So they will put the price a little bit up. Then in 2 waves, they will put it down till the 17th and then till the 22nd of November. That's my opinion. This is non-financial advice. Please remember that. I will really appreciate if you follow this channel, if you follow this TikTok, if you save this video, if you like, if you put any comments. In few previous video, we were talking about the gold, the dollar, the S&P 500. In the previous video, a few days ago, we've been talking about the Tesla, the Amazon, the Google, the Nvidia, the Meta, the everything that you want to know. I'm trying my best. I'm really trying. I have reasons to think that if I'm gonna be right, until the March or maybe April, I will leave social media. Just because I don't feel that people are truly interested in that kind of content. I don't feel and don't believe that people really need my opinion. I'm tired of stupid as fuck Ukrainians. I'm tired of angry people, and they are angry only just because they are poor and stupid. You need to change one thing in a time. If you have bad health, fix it. If you have bad mind, fix it. If you have bad relationship, if you have problem on your job, if you have problem, I don't know, in your bed, fix it. One problem at the time. I don't know why Ukrainian people became so angry on other Ukrainian peoples. That's why I've been starting all these English channels. They've been just greedy and angry. Why you leave your country? You're a traitor. Go at war and die with my husband, please. This is the way of Mandalorian. Why? Maybe this is the part of the next video where we're gonna discuss the war in Ukraine, my opinion about the war in Ukraine, my opinion about the manipulation of the government, of the feds, of the police, of the all these fucking TV shows which making people more stupid than they are. Maybe if you're gonna like, if you're gonna subscribe, if you're gonna put comments below or somewhere else. I want to say thank you to you. Thank you for this time. Thank you for your interest in me, in my opinion, in this video. Send it to someone. Check this information. This is non-financial advice. I'm doing it and I will do it again and again. Peace, love,